All right, guys, so we're here with the Mach E. So we are going to disconnect and just plug it. Gonna put this thing back to here. So we have here your Ford charging station. As you can see, this is what we installed in your house, so you can charge. This is about 30 miles per hour, so this is the best thing you can have if you're gonna get your Ford Mach E at your house, and you're gonna have it for a while. So all right, guys, all we have to do is put this back in here. All right. So all right, guys, hey, we're driving here the Ford Mustang Mach E, taking a little bit for another drive. Very impressive vehicle for being electric. First time driving this type of car as well. It's a totally different feeling, having no motor, having no transmission, having no, totally different feeling. But I like it. It's of course, everybody who's a true enthusiast like me, a car enthusiast that loves speed, that loves handling, this is way different. But for a daily car, man, this is really pushing me to get one of these very soon. Obviously, I'm gonna try to get my hands on a Ford GT once that comes out, which is gonna be this is quick. Obviously, 4,800 pounds. Yeah, you have to manage it, but it needs a little more tire. This has 225s all around, which seems to me a little bit under tired, but that's what I guess the Ford GT is gonna kind of fix. Have a lot more tire, have a little more braking, definitely gonna have more power. But look at this thing. This guy just goes. This just accelerates like a move. So wow, yeah, you can feel the weight on the corner there, absolutely. So, but then again, it's got plenty of power. I mean, the brakes are really good. You can turn off the generative braking as well to not have any braking done when you let off the gas. So, and I love this screen here. This is perfect for you to not take your eyes off the road. And wow, what can I say? I would recommend one of these if you're looking for an SUV crossover, kind of smaller. I wouldn't be worried about the the driving range anxiety that a lot of people have, because that's kind of disappears with the driving, how much this thing handles. And once you get used to it, it's like having a gas station in your car, your house. So this, most of the time, if you're gonna end up, if you're driving this thing and going through, if you're driving more than 200 miles a day, this might be the vehicle. But man, if you're driving less than 100 miles a day, this is a perfect vehicle. That inside ain't gonna last too much, because you're gonna see that you're not gonna run out of battery. Even if you're stopped in traffic, this only takes a lot of battery if you're driving hard or something like that. I think you don't have that anxiety even if you're stuck in traffic, unless you're down to like 10%, 10 miles, something like that. But wow, super impressive with this SUVs. And as you can see, I let off the gas, and it actually brakes for me. So really impressive. Really like these cars a lot. So let's give it a little bit of more last one here. Full brake. Wow. yeah, this is I can get in trouble with this thing pretty quick, because you're already doing way past some of the speed limit here. As you can see, it's at 60. This thing is just hauls butt. So I can imagine the GT, man, that thing is gonna be crazy. And I can imagine the other cars, like the Tesla Performance, all that stuff's gonna be super quick. They got more 600 horsepower. Wow. But I think Ford did a great job with this Mach E, and not only for the way it drives, the quality. I guess it's got good quality. It's very quiet, but obviously the way it looks, so definitely looks much better than the Tesla parts, if I'm correct. So especially the Model Y or something like that. So all right, guys, please hope you like the content. Please subscribe. Hope you like the video, and we'll look forward to seeing the next. We're gonna continue driving some great cars, and please subscribe, please like. I really appreciate it if you could, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and take care. Bye-bye.